from desire. Mind and senses purified, freed from desire. Mind and senses purified, freed from desire. Mind and senses purified, freed from desire. Na 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 na
Hi, welcome to our channel. My name is Volkan. I'm a professional drifter from Turkey. In this video, I will introduce myself, my drift car you see behind me, and most importantly, the brand new Maradyne Smart Start cooling fan you see in front of me. Now, let's start. So, welcome back. First of all, I would like to thank DCM Fast companies for their support in my 2025 season. I'm updating the cooling system of my race car with their cooling fans, and I believe I will be more successful in the championship. Alright, let me introduce myself. I'm a professional drifter. I have been doing drifting since 2010. I'm also competing in Turkish Drift Championship. The beast you see behind me is my drift car. She's BMW E36 1991 325i. One of the greatest car for drifting, actually. She has got a M50 B25 coded engine, which has been stroked to 2.8 liter. It has also a turbo kit. Thanks to this turbo kit, we can achieve very high powers. Although its turbo supports 900 horsepower, I'm going to use it around 700 horsepower to be reliable. In parallel with the increasing power, we are also updating the cooling system, and we are installing a 16-inch Maradyne fan with Smart Start technology, which you see in front of me. Before starting this installation, I would like to give some information about this new fan and Maradyne products. Of course, high-performance fans with advanced features. Our fans are designed to meet the toughest demands, boasting an IP68 rating that ensures they are both waterproof and dustproof. These fans are engineered for durability, reliability, and peak performance in challenging environments. And let me open this box for you. So, as you see, we have got a special Maradyne sticker label, and take this fan out and I will show you what we have got here. Although our toughest Maradyne fans are IP68 rated, not all Maradyne fans are rated IP68. The Smart Start motor has vents, although the electric components are sealed in the Smart Start cap, which is IP60 rated, as you see here. So, innovative blade design, let me show you. The fan blades feature a unique curved design supported by two concentric rings on the outer edge. At high speeds, traditional fan blades tend to change shape and become flatter, potentially destabilizing the fan. The concentric rings provide structural support, ensuring the blades remain steady, straight, and solid during operation, even at maximum speed. Not all our fans have curved blades, therefore, not all our fans have concentric rings. Fans with longer curved blades like S-blades or sickle blades will have concentric rings. These will be the fans that are 12-inch, 14-inch and 16-inch. Our 12-inch and 14-inch fans have one concentric ring. Our 16-inch fans have two concentric rings. Concentric rings will also increase CFM. Fans with longer curved blades that do not have concentric rings will experience a loss of CFM due to vibration and flattening out at high speeds. So, let me tell you about the Smart Start technology. Our fans are equipped with Smart Start features which significantly improve motor longevity and system compatibility. Soft start wind up. Unlike standard fans that reach full speed in just 1 second, our Smart Start fans take about 3 seconds, eliminating the current spike typically seen during start-up. This reduces wear on the motor and ensures smoother integration with the vehicle's electronics. Let's talk about extended motor life. Traditional fans often experience an inrush current during startup, which stresses the motor. Smart Start eliminates this issue, resulting in a longer motor life and enhanced reliability. Smart Start is also made with our long life motor, further increasing its life expectancy alongside eliminating the inrush current phenomenon. By eliminating high amperage spikes, these fans are also prevent potential damage to our electronic systems in the vehicle, making them ideal choice for high-performance applications, including racing cars like mine. I would like to explain also the superior build quality. Constructed with high-strength glass-filled nylon reinforced with nylon filaments, these fans offer exceptional durability and strength compared to standard options. The combination of premium materials and cutting-edge design ensures optimal performance under rigorous conditions. Glass-filled nylon is designed for extreme durability and heat resistance, offering significant advantages over regular plastic, especially in high-stress environments like automotive performance. These were the advanced features of Smart Start fans. So let's install this new fan into my race car. Are you ready? I'm ready. Batuhan, my mechanic, he's going to install my new fan. We have installed our new fans and it is ready to go. Now we are going to put our Maradyne sticker onto my car and we will be officially a member of Maradyne family. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much, Maradyne. Please stay tuned. You will see more videos with this race car. Are you ready? I'm ready. See you later.